Hi, I'm Josh Lambert, a group product manager here at GitLab, and today I'd like to talk about what we are planning to achieve in the 13.3 milestone for our database group. The first thing we're looking at doing is continuing our work on partitioning our audit events table. This is the first table that we are partitioning, and so we are laying a lot of the foundational concepts and tools and documentation so that we can better enable other teams to do this and replicate our work. To that end, we are working on, again, documenting our design decisions. We're looking to enforce the partitioning key in queries because when you don't include the key in the query, it can take a significantly longer period of time to complete. And so we want to make sure that happens. And then we're also working on some UI UX changes. This is important because again, because we actually want to make sure we have that query, and the query, the key in the query, the key here is time. And so we want to make sure that in the UI, there's always a time bound being showed. And then finally, we also want to have a metric that we can use to track the state of partitioning. We hope to have the partitioning being rolled out on GitLab.com's database in the next couple of days here. It will take a few days to complete because the audit events table is quite large. And so we'll be monitoring that kind of to the end of 13.2 and into the beginning of 13.3. The goal here, of course, is at the end of 13.3 to have completed partitioning of the audit events table and then move on to the events table, which sounds the same, but is different. This is effectively all the user's activity on the platform. It's gotten quite large, as you can imagine. And we've actually had a proposal to drop some of the content off of it because of how large it got. But instead, we are looking to partition it now, and that way we can still maintain performance of this table and still not have to delete some of the activity of our users and how it's tracked. So that will be kicking off here in 13.3. And from there, we're also looking to add some instrumentation to the our usage ping to help us better understand the number of queries that the database is seeing per week. And this is our primary product indicator for the database team. And so we're very excited about having that instrumented, and so we can get better understanding of the performance of our kind of widely deployed self-managed instances, and so we can further target our work going forward. That's it for the database team. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next release.